jerk chicken Alfredo. Let me show you how to make it chef made.
Hey man, I smelled you cooking. Let me get some of that.
Oh, this one's gonna be a banger. In
Big
the
up
bowl,
yourself,
let's
CMX.
start by marinating our chicken. I cubed up my chicken breast, then I added some avocado oil, jerk seasoning, garlic paste, CMX garlic sage, CMX complete, and some black pepper. Now I'm gonna get at a good mix and let it rest for about 30 minutes so all those flavors can lock in. I'm using all beef sausage. And I just want to sear this off pretty good. We're going to keep the pan dripping so we can sear the chicken breast off next. You can add a little avocado oil if you need to. Then let the chicken pick up all that flavor from the pan. Make some chicken bouillon and some water in the bowl, and we're going to use that to deglaze this pan. Now let's build this sauce up. We're going to add some garlic paste and some more of that jerk seasoning. I'm adding in about a cup to a cup and a half of heavy cream, squeezing in some fresh lime juice. You can add more or less depending on your taste. Next, we're going to add some Parmesan cheese, my garlic sage seasoning, some cracked black pepper. Let that simmer and reduce down until your sauce get a nice creamy smooth coating on your spoon. Add your cooked fettuccine pasta and your chicken and sausage into the pan. Pour a little of that pasta water in to loosen it up and fold everything together so that sauce can coat every bite. Finish it with some Parmesan cheese and some fresh green onions, and that's how you make it chef made.
Oh man. Somebody tell these mama about this CMX. Less guessing, more cooking.
Now that's chef made.
Come and get you some.